In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync your photo library with iCloud if you're using iOS 18 or later. This is a handy feature that ensures all your photos and videos are backed up securely and easily accessible across all your Apple devices like your iPhone, iPad, and even your Mac. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled. This is the foundational step in syncing your photos with iCloud. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're there, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, which will take you into your iCloud settings. From there, you'll find a list of options, and what we're looking for is Photos. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in the photo settings, you'll see an option to sync this iPhone. On older iOS versions, it might be labeled as iCloud Photos. Make sure this is toggled on. When it's enabled, your photos and videos are automatically uploaded to iCloud whenever your device is connected to power and Wi-Fi, and you have enough space available in your iCloud storage. Speaking of space, that's our next important step. You'll want to check your current iCloud storage to make sure you have enough room for all your photos and videos. To do this while still in the iCloud settings, tap on Manage Storage. Here you'll get a detailed breakdown of what is using up space and how much you have left. If you're running low, consider either freeing up some space by deleting unnecessary files or purchasing additional iCloud storage. To help the syncing process along, open the Photos app and keep it open for a few minutes. This helps the app kickstart the syncing process. By allowing the Photos app to stay in the foreground, you're essentially giving your device the chance to start the initial photo upload to iCloud without any interruptions. Finally, once everything is set up and you've given the Photos app some time to synchronize, all your photos and videos should start syncing automatically. They'll be available across all your Apple devices. This makes it incredibly convenient because no matter which device you're on, you'll have access to your entire library, whether it's photos from your recent vacation or videos from that amazing concert. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your photo library to sync with iCloud in iOS 18 or later. It's a straightforward process that saves you time and effort in ensuring all your precious moments are backed up and accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes managing your photos just a bit easier.